Garvichatang Circuit. I live in Thailand and the cities that I live in is Samut Prakan. So this is my final project and my final project is password strength checker. This project is designed to help users create strong and secure passwords to protect their accounts. The program guides users by validating passwords against specific security rules and provide immediate feedback to help improve them. So I set a password requirements here. So it has to be longer than 8 characters and it needs to contain at least one uppercase letter, include at least one digit, last but not least, include at least one symbol. The symbol that I want them to use is exclamation marks, a sign, dot, or hashtag. So if the password is missing any of these criteria, the user will receive a clear error message. For example, your password does not contain an upper letter. Please include one. Or your password does not have a digit. Please include a digit in your password. And I also include a password strength rating. So there will be so each password is scored based on how many of the 4 rules it meets. So if it's scored 4, it's very strong. If it's scored 3, we will just feedback that it's good. Scored 2, it's bad. Scored 1, weak, and last but not least is if it's 0, it will just very very weak. So the score will just be added based on the criterias, and if they do not have if the user don't have a punctuation or upper or digit or alpha, they won't score. Yes, so they will score if they have one of the criterias. For example, if they have a punctuations, a symbol. If the user has a symbols in their password, they will score 1. But if not, they won't score. And if they, for instance, if they score, if their password have upper, have digit, have alpha, but don't have symbols, they will just score 3, and we will just feedback good. And password needs to have a symbol like that. So in addition, we also added to confirm if they meet all the 4 criteria, right? The user will have to confirm their password. If it does not match, we will continue loop, and if it matches, the password will be accepted. And yes, and we also have so the user will interface around a loop that prompts the user for a password, call, check to evaluate the password, display the strength and any missing rules, ask for confirmation if strength is very strong. And we will have a check where we include PyTest as well. This is to have to make our program not to be error, and we test 5 different cases, including password with no valid characters, fully valid very strong password, partially valid password. And so yes, so how do we run this program is you can run by just type final project python final project.py like that, based on the file that you named. So I think that's it for my that's it and this is my final project that is called password string checker. Thank you.